What's up, Daniel? How are you?
I'm doing well, Brandon. How are you?
I'm well. We're here today to talk about the FG100 flow sensor. A revolutionary new product from Rainbird that just came out this year. Pretty excited about it. As water conservation is such a hot topic now, contractors, homeowners, everybody's on top of saving water. This product falls right in line with that. What can you tell us about it?
Yeah, absolutely, Brandon. The FG100 is designed for outdoor and underground applications and offers the highest performance in flow sensing. The FG100 reads high and low flow rates reliably and accurately. And with the glass-filled nylon body, no straight pipe requirements, and high pressure ratings, the FG100 offers the most flexibility in installation locations.
That sounds awesome, Daniel. So let me ask you this. There's a lot of flow sensors on the market, and they all have their own installation requirements. How does the FG100 fall into that?
That's a great question. So the FG100 is actually compatible with the standard 18 gauge wire that a contractor would use to connect to a station valve or a master valve on a project. So rather than having to use shielded wire or PE cable, utilizing that standard signal wire that a contractor has on his truck at all times saves time and money at installation. And not having those straight pipe requirements, you're able to locate the flow sensor even closer to the controller, which saves time and money as well. And on top of not having any straight pipe requirements at installation, the FG100 also features these union joints that make maintenance and installation quick and easy and come in either a slip, BSP, or NPT threading. And in addition to all of these features, the FG100 is even serviceable via these 4 screws on the top. You can easily remove the top cap and fish out any debris or pebbles that may be lodged inside.
Awesome. That's pretty convenient.
Right?
Let me hold this for a second.
Sure.
It just feels durable. It feels well made. Once this is in the ground, talking about things like winterization, what can we expect from this product in that environment?
Absolutely, that's a great question. So the FG100 is built to withstand high burst pressure blowouts. And what that means is that during these winterization processes that contractors do in states where they have really intense freezes, when you do your system blowouts in preparation for those freezes, the contractor doesn't have to dig up or excavate or remove or uninstall the flow sensor. The flow sensor can remain in the system year round, and they can perform their blowouts as normal, which saves, again, time and money.
So let me ask you this. Can I take this flow sensor and just put it in any controller that I want?
Yeah, absolutely. The FG100 has a standard K-factor and offset, so it is compatible with a very wide variety of controllers out there in the market today. Not just Rainbird controllers, but really any other brand.
That's great. Let me show you another reason why I love this flow sensor. When you combine the FG100 with the ME3 controller and the Link 2 Wi-Fi module, you create a very powerful water savings package. The Link 2 Wi-Fi module allows you to hook up to the Rainbird mobile app, which in turn allows you to connect to your controller from anywhere in the world.
Very cool. And with that connection, you're able to get high flow alerts, low flow alerts, and monitor your system essentially from anywhere from your mobile device.
Absolutely.
Now, Brandon, can you explain to us how the end user is going to use the FG100?
Sure. So here's how this works. The FG100, once installed, connects directly to the controller. The controller recognizes it's there, and then the homeowner will run through a learned flow process. Once the FG100 runs through that process, it then understands the flow output of each zone independently. At that point, if anything was to occur, a broken line, a sprinkler head, stuck valve, it lets the controller know. With the Link 2 Wi-Fi module, it then, via the app, sends the homeowner a message to say, hey, we have a problem. Would you like me to shut it down myself, or would you like to take action? From that point, it's up to you. But the problem then is identified and you're able to act on it.
And is that where the user experience ends with this product?
Well, here's something cool. Contractors are taking this setup and they're using it as part of their water management program, and they're monitoring the landscape for the end user. So they actually bring the property up onto the app, so they're getting the alerts and they're monitoring the system for the homeowner. Works really great in a snowbird type situation.
That's amazing, Brandon. Now, can you share with us what the life expectancy and warranty period is of the FG100?
Sure. The FG100 carries a 3-year trade-in warranty. But remember, it's designed and manufactured to outlast in the harshest of environments.
Like the winter blowouts that we discussed.
Exactly. Designed to work well past the warranty period.
That's amazing. Brandon, thank you so much for all your insight today.
Absolutely.